Friends, today we will see Introduction to incometax.gov.in e-filing 2.0 portal. On portal, we will see dashboard with tabs like Home, Individual, Company, New Company, Professionals, Downloads and Help. These tabs guide us on various tax aspects. We'll see in details separately about these tabs in separate video. On front screen, it provides our services. E-Verify section provides e-verification of income tax returns filed. Link Aadhaar section provides PAN Aadhaar linkage and status of linkage to be done. E-Pay tax section provides payment of taxes and directs the link to NSDL website for TDS, TCS, non-TDS income tax payments. Income tax section provides tracking of income tax return. Verify PAN section provides PAN details verification. No TAN section provides TAN details verification. Tax section provides tax charts and tables, booklets, pamphlets, tax calendar, FAQ, legal maxims, helpline details. Authenticate section provides notice verification. Know Your AO provides identification of assessing officer details. ePAN provides PAN application submissions and processing. TDS on cash withdrawal section provides verification of transactions of TDS deducted. Verify service request provides checking of ERI services initiated, if any, against the assessee. At the end of the video, we'll see the rewards department is giving to the taxpayers. So keep watching till the end. Our success enables screen provides number of taxpayers and annual taxpayers verified ITRs. News and e-campaigns screen section provides regular update information. Things to know screen section provides videos on how to do awareness and brochures, etc. Links are provided in the info section to watch the videos. Do check out. Then taxpayers voice section gives comments of taxpayers. Don't surprise when you see comments dated much before launch of the portal itself. Last important section is of rewards to committed taxpayers. As per AY 1920 return filers, platinum category sections taxpayers are 6148 across all over India. Under gold category, 15,827 taxpayers. Silver category, 2,40,198 taxpayers. And bronze category, 32,08,355 taxpayers are reported by the department. Few of you might have received category-wise certificates on your email IDs from Income Tax Department during the last year. If you wish to know what type of certificate did you get, then pin me to know it. Chatting health section is there to facilitate the assesses. Friends, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon.